mahal. Una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa itaas dahil pinagtagpo at ibinigay ka niya sa akin.
Close my eyes, you're standing next to me.
Mahal ko. Before we met, love felt like a list of boxes that I had to check. I had a lot of expectations, some maybe even impossible, all in search of the one. But what's funny is that even when we met, I never expected us to end up here. Especially because my first impression of you was that you had already broken a lot of hearts. So, if you ask me why I still chose you, it's because you never gave up on me.
Ikaw ang natatangi at nangibabaw sa aking mata. Ikaw ang pumuo sa aking damdamin at nagmahal sa akin ng totoo. Ngayon, dumating na ang panahon para tayo ay mag-iisang dibdib. Pinapangako ko sa iyo na ikay aalagaan, poprotektahan at hindi sasaktan.
Bea, syempre mag-iba pa rin yung boyfriend and girlfriend sa mag-asawa. Dito mas lalo nyo pa, mas deep makikilala ang isa't isa. Mas lalo pang may mga challenges na harapin kayo. But as long as ang yung foundation, yung love, trust, and respect, I'm sure kaya yung lahat yan. So, bawat challenges, bawat trials, sana maging matatag kaysa yung maging mahina. Ibig sabihin, maging inspirasyon nyo pa yung distraction sa relationship niyo.
Turned out to be a very kind soul, which reminded me of a moment when I asked my mom for an advice on how would I know if someone could be the one. She told me this, that he should be someone who is good to his family and values them deeply. Because when the time comes for us to become family or have a family of our own, he would love and value me the same way. And that I found you.
Thank you pa sa lahat ng pag-aaruga sa amin ni Ja at ni Lola. Promise naman nandito lang rin ako lagi para sa inyo.
Ngayong may asawa ka na, maging responsable ka na. Responsable naman talaga ito, no? Okay na yun.
Sana nandito ka, Ma. Ay, love na love ka na.
Thank you for guiding me, for raising me as I am, para makahanap ako ng isang Jetro. And I love you both, and hindi ko naman kayo iiwan kasi nag-iisang baby niyo ako. So I'll always be here pa din. Huwag ka masyadong umiyak. Ayun, I love you both.
Sabi ko nga, hindi naman marriage not always better process. Meron din namang ups and downs yan. Pero as long as you're together at may commitment kayo sa isa't isa, mapapanindigan nyo, I'm sure makayanan yung lahat. So, good luck sa inyong dalawa. I-prove nyo sa aming lahat na tama ang napili nyo. At i-prove nyo sa aming lahat na ang isa't isa ang pinigay sa inyo ng Diyos. Ito yung pinagdasal nyo.
Gagawin ko ang aking makakaya upang ikay laging mapaligaya. Ipinapangako ko na lagi akong susubaybay at mananatili sa likod mo. Ito ang bagong yugto ng ating haharapin ng magkasama. Mahal na mahal kita.
Thank you for not giving up on me, on us. Thank you for always being there for me. And thank you for loving and understanding me. Thank you for being you, the kind, patient, and understanding you. every single day of our lives. I promise to support you and your dreams as if they are mine. I promise to love you, not by the standards set by the world, but by the love that God teaches. Patient, faithful, and true. I love you, Mahal.